This is my Maverick. The has the drum in it. Here is my Night Finder because it has it. I did the mod, the rubber band mod. Here is my recon stock. My recon, get the gun, the barrel, and I have three 18 dart clips. I have the camo to hold the clips and the darts. I have the deploy, the dart tag, Fury Fire, I think. No, it's not it. I forget what it's called. Here are the two. I'm not sure what this is called either. Here's the Busby Hunter. Here is the Scout. Painted it. It's the bipod for Stampede. There's my reader and the drum and double shot. My Stampede. Big boy. Here is my Busby Tommy 12. Here is my barrel brake. And here is this little case that I got with 23 darts. Here's the shield. And here is an extra clip with 6 darts in it. Here are some glasses. Here are a little grenade me and my friends throw, like if you hit you're dead. I have the sticky darts, the suction cup, and the suction cup for the Maverick. I have the black suction cup that came with the barrel brake, or not the barrel brake, the Scout. And I have the whistler darts. I have the red streamline because they came with my reader. And the regular streamline. Here's the regular streamline. And here's the regular streamline. That's just about it. One more cut click on my darts. Stampede, mask, or the shield, box, double shot, my Raider, Scout, Busby, Busby Tommy 12. This is the Busby Hunter. Barrel brake, dart tag, 2 pistols, my recon, the barrel, and the stock. Here is the freaking Night Finder, my Maverick, 18 dart clip, little case, and deploy. And I'm gonna set you up here on my dresser. Okay, hi. I'm gonna do a pinch test of the double shot. Door. Doesn't work out right yet, but I'm sorry. Are you still taking video? Yeah. just a bit double shut. Time on this. Here's my reader. Drum mag. And there's the reader. See how much time again. See how much time it is. Enough time. Here is I did do the pump action with the barrel, but it didn't work out. I didn't use the right tape. Time to do this one. It is the Busby Hunter. I took the sticker off. I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint the stock brown for the wood. I'm gonna paint the stock brown for the wood, and then I'm gonna paint the rest like black. See, as you can see, it is loaded. Hunter. I'm gonna put this up on YouTube, so you might want to check it out. It's a pretty good video. So, bye.